Welcome back. I'm Julian Compton.
And I'm Liz Compton of Team Compton with Royal LePage Signature. We are super excited to show you our latest listing, 29 Canniff Street, Townhouse 402. This gorgeous stock townhouse has so much to offer. Almost every square inch has been renovated with quality workmanship top of mind. Come on in for a tour. You will not be disappointed.
Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed a tour of this lovely property, 29 Canniff Street, Townhouse 402. If you'd like a private tour, please give us a call. My cell is 416-554-7724.
And mine is 416-802-2497. Make it a beautiful day, and until next time, all the best from Team Compton.